In this video, we'll be learning how to make vegetable cheese Frankie. Hello everyone, welcome you all back to the DJ's Veg Kitchen. Let's get into the quick recipe. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes, half cup onion chopped, half cup chopped capsicum, half cup grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of green chilli which are finely chopped, 3 cheese cubes which are grated, and 5 rotis. Take a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and wait until the oil gets heated up. As you can see, the oil has heated up. Now let's add vegetables, add onions, add capsicum, green chilies, fry it well. Now let's add boiled potatoes, add the grated carrots, mash them all completely. Make sure the vegetables don't get sticked up at the bottom. Now let's add few spices into it. Add salt as per your taste. Add half tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, one teaspoon of dry mango powder, which is also called as amchur powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, add 1 teaspoon of black salt, give it a good mix, and our stuffing is ready. Take 1 roti, add the stuffing in the center and some grated cheese over it. Now fold the rotis as per I have folded in the video. Repeat the same procedure.
In another roti.
Take a tawa, add both the stuffed rotis and fry it using some oil. You can also use ghee. Now fry it on all the sides till it gets brown texture. You can add corn or any vegetables of your choice. Now serve hot with the tomato ketchup. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.